Okay, good afternoon. Hello, everybody. Welcome to our class number 4. I want to know about how are you today? How are you today, Isabela? Okay, that's fine. How are you today, Jose? Okay, very good. I am wonderful. Thank you for asking. I am wonderful. It's a fantastic afternoon. And we will start with our class. For today, the topic is parts of the body. Okay? We to learn about the parts of the body. Okay, so we have to go. The goal for today is the student will be able to recognize the main body parts in the English orally and in reading. Okay, so when we finish this class, you must to know about the main body parts in English. You come to recognize what are these parts and what we can use. Okay, and how is the reading for these parts. Excellent. Now, for the start, I want that you see the screen. Can you see the screen? All right. So, can you tell me what do you see in this screen? Yes, our kiwis. Very good. What other thing can you see there? Strawberries. Very good. What other one? Mangoes. Very good, but very excellent. Yes, grapes. Excellent. But these elements will come for a group. These have a name. What is the group? When you can see bananas, apples, strawberry, blueberries, kiwis, pears, pineapples, fruits. Excellent, Isabella. That group, the name is fruits. And now, I want that you tell me what part of the body can you use to identify that this is a salad fruit. The eyes, very good. When the eyes, you can see the fruits that you want to eat, okay? But what other part of the body we can use for this thing? Yes, the mouth. Excellent. The mouth we can use to eat the fruits. Excellent. Yes, the nose. From the nose, you can smell these fruits that you can. Okay, this exercise for the start is for that you know that some parts of the body we can use for eat, smell, listen, touch with our hands. So the parts of the body we can use in our daily. Okay, excellent. So we will start with the topic. We have some main part of the body. This part is our head. Okay, this is our head. In the head we have a face. Okay, this is our face. In the face we have some parts too. For example, we can say the hair. This is my hair. In this case, it's long hair, but some people have short hair. Okay, this is forehead. Can you repeat? Forehead. Yes. All right. Very good. This is eye. We have two eyes. Excellent. Two eyes. Okay. This is ear. We can listen with the ears, and we have two ears. Okay. Two ears. Very good. This is a nose. We can smell with that. So this is a nose. Okay. This is mouth. What we can do with mouth? Yes, we can eat. Excellent. And inside of the mouth we have teeth. These are teeth, okay? And lips. These are lips. You can kiss like this. Yes, okay. Very good. This is a chin, and this is our cheek. Some people have big cheek. I have medium cheek. Can you see my cheek? Alright, very good. Now, this is neck. Very good. Repeat, neck. Excellent. We have to see, this is shoulder. We have two shoulders. Very good. We can to do relax when some people give a stretch, you come to relax with the shoulders. Okay. This one complete is arm, okay, arm. But this part in especially is hand. You can touch with the hand, okay. And this one are the fingers. The fingers. Here are the fingers. Excellent. Very good. Way to continue. This is our chest. This is chest, okay. In English, this is chest. Excellent. This is our waist. For the women, it's very important to the waist. I think that many women want to have a small waist. Me too. Okay. Other one? Yes. This complete is leg. Okay. And one of these is foot, but both are feet. Okay. The name is feet for both. This is ankle and this is necks. Okay. That are the most important or the main important parts of the body. Now, I want that we can do some activities that I bring for to learn more with this activity. Okay. So one moment. Give me one moment. In this first activity, we come to know or we review about some parts of the body that we learn now, okay? So, can you see my screen? Yes? Alright. Now, in this part, this is a woman and this is a man. So, I will ask you and you can tell me what is the part in English that we can use there, okay? So, in this case, this is this one. What is the name for this? Eyes. Very good. Is one, so we can use eyes, put there. Okay. This one, what is this one? Lip. Very good. We have lips. Okay. This one, complete is what? What part? Arm. Very good. We can put there. And this one are both. Yes. Foot. One. Excuse me. One. Okay. And this one is one. I'm sorry. This is less because it's complete. Okay. This is one. Okay. Foot. Very good. And this one is the first part I teach you. What is? Head. Very good. Head. Excellent. This one, you can listen. You can listen. We have two ears. Very good. Ear. And this one, what is the part you can smell? Nose. Very good. And we can part you can eat. This one, mouth. Excellent. And for last, what is the part you can to touch? Hand. Very good, Isabella. Arms. Very good job. Very good job. Excellent. Now, we come to do the other activity. This second activity, you can listen, okay? What is the pronunciation about the parts of the body, okay? We come. Give me a moment, please. Give me a moment. All right. We can use. Can you see my screen? Yes. Okay. You can listen, please. Shoulders. Very good. Shoulders. What are the shoulders from there we can use? Yes, this one. Very good, Jose. Now, listen. Ears. Very good. What are the ears from here? Yes, this one, Annabelle. Very good. Listen. Eyes. What are blue eyes for there? Yes, this one. Very good. Listen. Toes. What are the toes? Yes, very good, Maria. It's very, very good. Listen, please. Head. What is the head? Yes, this one. Very good. Now, listen. Nose. What is the nose? Yes, this one. Very good. Listen. Knees. What are the knees? This one. Very good. And for last one.
Mouth.
Mouth. What is the mouth? Okay, very good. We come to finish with this activity. Now, I want to know if you learn about the my explanation about the part of the body. So we will check that. Okay. So with the last activity, we have to assignment to check what do you learn. Okay. So with this, we finish for today with our topic about the parts of the body. Okay, give me a moment. This one, can you see my screen? Yes. Okay, so you have to read here the part of the body that you can signalize. Okay, so what is this part? You can read in your computer. Okay, I have to send right now, and you got to read. Okay, in this case, this is head. Okay, very good. And this one, Isabella, can you write in your computer? I sent to you for the chat box. Okay, Ace, very good, Isabella. And Jose, what is this part? Ear, very good, excellent. And this one, Maria? Nose, very good. This one, Annabelle? Mouth, very good. Carlos, what is this? This is chest. Very, very good. Yes, I want that you write in your computer because I sent to you the link for the chat box. Okay. This arm. Excellent. Very good. And this one. What is this one? Tell me. Yes, fingers. Excellent. And this one. What is? Knees. Knees? What do you think? Yes. It's next, okay? And this one are food because it's one only, okay? Very good. With that, we finished for today. Thank you for coming to our class. I hope that you have enjoyed in my class. Is this all for today? Have a good weekend. I send to you a kiss. Thank you very much.